Having the right hosting service can make or break your online presence. But choosing the best option for you and your business can be tricky and really comes down to the type of website you have, your budget, your experience, and how you plan to create, manage, and maintain that website. So in this video, I'm going to take you through 4 options for what I consider to be the best web hosting services that you can get. We'll dive into what they each offer, their pricing, and which sorts of websites each one of them can best support, as well as some of their pros and cons. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of which service could be the right fit to support your website and ultimately boost your brand. Now, let's get into it. All right, so first in our lineup is the well-known Hostgator, which leads the pack with affordable and reliable hosting for any type of website, plus custom configured options for specialized users. I personally prefer Hostgator, and it's very popular with users who range from beginners all the way up to experienced developers. Their pricing starts off with the heavily discounted premium plan at $2.50 a month, with 2 months for free if you pay ahead for 4 years. And I recommend opting for a longer term plan if you know you're willing to sign on with Hostgator for a longer time frame, because if you choose a 12-month subscription option, while it'd still have the rate of $3 for your first year, you'd pay the full price of $11 a month after the first renewal cycle. And when you sign up for a premium plan with Hostgator, you can get a free domain for a year and everything else you need to set up a website. Now, next there's the business plan, which on a 48-month contract starts at $3.50 a month. This plan gives you increased performance and daily backups, as well as a few very useful free WordPress plugins and AI site building tools. Then there's the Cloud Startup plan, which gives you priority customer support and can accommodate up to 300 websites and 200,000 monthly visits. This plan runs for $7.60 per month if you opt for the 48-month plan, but bumps up to $10 a month if you go with the 1-year subscription cycle. So all of Hostgator's plans come with the necessary basics like a free custom domain, SSL, and a lot of other robust security features like malware scans, DDoS protection, and holes privacy, as well as custom email accounts, automatic backups, and much, much more. They also offer cloud and VPN hosting, Minecraft server hosting, and website building tools, plus Hostgator is fully and seamlessly integrated with WordPress, so you can add it on any plan you choose with just one click. Now, Hostgator is an excellent choice for gamers, small businesses, bloggers, e-commerce sites, and seasoned developers. And if you opt for a business subscription, you can use the AI-powered content creation features to easily build a website completely from scratch. Okay, the next on my list is Bluehost, and this company also gets you all the tools you need to host and build a website with a user-friendly platform. It manages to demystify the process for beginners while still giving developers some useful functions. Bluehost puts special emphasis on keeping your site up by proactively confronting any issues that could cause downtime or sluggish performance. This hosting service is also great for anyone using WordPress to build their site, but in comparison to Hostgator, Bluehost isn't as well integrated with WordPress. However, it still holds its own as a dependable option. Bluehost is a no-nonsense provider of domains, e-commerce solutions, and WordPress websites, and all their plans include a free domain for the first year, a free CDN to protect your websites from Cloudflare, and a free SSL certificate. Their plans are available with 12 or 36-month terms, with the starting price for a basic yearly subscription coming in at under $3, but renewing at the regular price of $12 a month. And this gives you all the core features I just mentioned for one site, plus 10 gigabytes of SSD web storage, and that's great for sites expecting less than 40,000 visitors each month. Though if you expect more traffic, but less than 200,000 visits a month, then I suggest the Choice Plus plan for $5.45 a month on a 1-year term. Along with 50 gigabytes of storage, it gives you access to Pro Tools for security and privacy, plus multi-site management and seamless updates, so it's quite a practical option for those who know their way around the back end of a website. Then there's the online store plan, priced at just under $10 a month. This gets you everything from the Choice Plus plan, including access to WooCommerce, auto installation, store analytics, secure payments, gift card creation, and wish lists, among other great features. But for professional and advanced hosting features, there's the Pro package that costs quite a bit more at $14 a month on a year-long contract. Here, the emphasis is on performance and site reliability. Plus, you get all the tools and features you need to maintain high traffic and benefit from advanced storage. And if at any point you decide to try one of the web hosting services that we're covering today, you can check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. They won't cost you anything, and you'll even get a bit of a discount on each of them, which you wouldn't be able to get if you went to any of their websites. Okay, now Bluehost is quite minimal and Spartan, so if you prefer a service service with a lighter touch and more character, then the popular Hostgator is another affordable option that offers flexible hosting options with 24/7 support. Hostgator provides shared web hosting, which means that multiple sites use the same server. So while this means your site might load a bit slower, it also means lower costs. So this is a great option for first-time site owners, bloggers, and smaller businesses. And all Hostgator plans come with 1 year of free domain registration, unlimited email addresses, one-click WordPress installation, SSL certification, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. And while they're all more affordable if you opt for a 3-year contract term, you always have the option of a 12-month or even month-to-month subscription period if you want. So Hostinger's most affordable plan is called the Hatchling. And if you sign up for 36 months, you'd pay around $3.75 per month. For 12 months, you'll pay just under $5, and for a single month, you'd pay around $13. Now, with this plan, you get 10 websites with unmetered bandwidth, 10 gigabytes of storage, and chat-based customer support. But if you need to be able to support a larger set of domains, their next tier up is called the Baby Plan. And at $4.50 a month on their 36-month introductory rate, you get 20 gigs of disk space and up to 20 websites. Now, Hostgator does have a lot of other plans for e-commerce and WordPress hosting, but for individuals and smaller businesses, there's also a business plan that gets you 50 gigabytes of storage and accommodates up to 50 websites at $6.25 for 36 months or $8.25 for 12 months. Here, you get everything in the Baby Plan Plus: domain privacy for the first year, daily website backups, and access to Hostgator's Cloudflare content delivery network. This helps to make sure that your content loads quickly, whether it's being accessed domestically or overseas. Now, Hostgator is not quite as affordable as the others that I've already mentioned, and they use a built-in cPanel, which has a bit of a learning curve if you've never used it before. But if you like the look and feel of Hostgator, then I think it's still worth a try. The final web hosting service that I want to talk about today is Scala, a company that stands out for providing cloud virtual private server or VPS hosting. This gives you dedicated server space and a reserved amount of resources, which means you get more control and better options for customization than you get with shared hosting. They also offer shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and multiple business email solutions. For shared hosting, their mini plan starts out at just under $3, and you can pay ahead on either 12 or 36-month contracts, or even month-to-month plan for around $13 a month. This package covers one site and provides 10 gigabytes of storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily backups, and one-click launching of over 400 content management and site creation tools. Now, if you're looking to get all their base services plus unlimited sites, a free domain, malware protection, and 50 gigabytes of storage, you'll want to opt for their Start plan, which runs at around $6 a month on both the 12 and 36 months contracts. But if 100 gigabytes of support is better match for your needs, the Advanced plan starts at $10 a month on the 12 and 36 month plan and offers premium features like a free domain, real-time malware protection, and priority customer support. So, as I mentioned, Scala is known for flexible cloud hosting that's affordable, scalable, secure, and easy to manage using their S panel, a file manager that's much simpler to navigate than the C panel. And their general cloud hosting gives you better security as well as dedicated CPU and RAM resources for consistent performance. Scala's entry cloud plan is around $15 a month on a 3-year contract and gets you 50 gigabytes of storage that you have the option to upgrade if you need additional data. You'd also get a dedicated IP address and the flexibility to add collaborators and users to your branded control panel on top of all the other benefits of using a cloud-hosted website. For managed VPS hosting, their plans start at around $30 a month on a 12-month contract for 2 CPU and 4 gigabytes of RAM. And of course, you'll pay a little bit more if you want a more dedicated resources, but you even have the option to customize and be quoted for your own unique VPS hosting plan if you want, with a number of CPU cores, RAM, and storage selected by you. Now, Scala is a very good choice for larger or faster growing businesses who want to scale up their site hosting capacity as they grow, and for anyone who's looking for reliable performance for an affordable price. All their plans offer an easy way to migrate your sites for free, along with 24/7 customer support and unconditional money-back guarantee that you can request at just about any time. So, if you're looking for dependable and cost-effective web hosting, then you've got 4 really great options to consider: Hostinger, Bluehost, Hostgator, and Scala. Hostingr is known for its accessible pricing and seamless integration with WordPress, making it a popular choice with beginners and experienced developers. Bluehost offers a user-friendly platform with strong performance and security features, ideal for WordPress users and those who want a straightforward setup. And Hostgator is a great choice for smaller businesses and bloggers due to its affordability and ease of use. While Scala specializes in cloud VPS hosting, gives users more control and customization options, which is great for growing businesses. Each of these hosting providers offers a variety of plans designed to accommodate just about any need. So whether you're just starting out, managing a small business, or are an experienced developer seeking advanced features, you can find options suitable for supporting simple websites all the way up to more complex and high traffic sites that demand robust performance and security. Now that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. And like I mentioned, if you do decide that you want to give any of these hosting services a try, then check out the affiliate links that are down in the description. They don't cost you anything, and you'll even get a bit of a discount, like I mentioned, which you wouldn't find by going directly to any of their websites. As always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try to get back to them as fast as I can. And finally, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.